Hi, this is my 2011 Eastern ramrodder. Gonna do a little bike check, and then at the end there'll be some clips of me riding. Alright, I'll start off with the grips. I have blue Aaron Ross keyboard grips and Odyssey Pawn Barnes. I have Kink Gap chromoly bars, XL Gap bars. I painted them black, but the paint sucked. Same grip on the other side. Don't get them unless you get black. Or the solid colors. These clear ones, they shred, and see this side's all shredded, and this one ripped. Don't get them unless you get the black or the orange, or I think the pink's a solid color. I'm not sure. Otherwise, don't get these, because like you see, they shred. And I've had these for 2 weeks of non-stop riding. Here is stock Eastern stem with stock fork cap. I have Shadow Conspiracy hollow bolts. It is not a shadow frame. It's Eastern ramrodder. Cane Creek integrated headset. I don't know if you can see it. Stock Eastern fork. Not quite sure on the hulls. It's wicked good, and it's sealed, really quiet. You know, pretty much everything for what I like. Not sure on the peg. It's just peg, I guess. Stock Eastern cranks, both sides. Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. It's a really, really nice sprocket. Really big and thick. It's a 25 tooth. It's thick, really strong, but it's also really, really light. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Wicked strong. I snapped 2 Eastern chains, and then a KMC chain. Finally got Bikes and Boards. He told me I should get a half link, so I got one, and it's really nice. I have Odyssey Twisted PC watermelon pedals. Oh, and one thing I forgot is I got Kink rim. I'm not sure what it's off of. I think it's off a launch or a curb or something. Maxxis Grifters. Where is it? Right there. Maxxis Grifter tires. I recommend these. On Dan's count, they're most expensive tires. They're $41 for one. I get it though. I've had no problems with these on dirt or anything, and they're really good. Really good. I have a United pivotal seat and United seat post, blue. Don't get me wrong, the seat's light. It's okay for comfortability. Nothing against United, but I wouldn't get it again. It's good, but I wouldn't get it again. Now that I've used it and I know what it's like, I'd get something different, but it's up to you guys. Stock Eastern clamp, seat post clamp. Again, Maxxis Grifter tires on the back, if I can find Grifter. There's Grifter. I have Alienation plain black rim. This is a good rim, I want to get Odysseys, but if I can't get Odysseys, I'm probably just gonna get another plain black rim, or the same as a black sheep, and put it in the front, so that way I have both. So now I'm gonna just do a quick hub sound. I'm going to attempt a 180 off of the hip transfer. I know, I didn't even try. I know I suck, but... Well, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.